Okay, crew. Today's video will be a steak fajita on pita bread, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We'll be using tricolor bell peppers, green bell peppers, 1 onion, fajita seasoning, pita bread, and sizzling steaks. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all once you subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video. Let's get into this steak fajita on pita bread video. Okay, crew, so we're gonna take one fajita seasoning packet and we're gonna put 1/4 cup of water in it. 1/4 cup of water. And we're gonna go with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're gonna go in with our fajita mix seasoning. And we're just gonna mix this in. I'm going to allow this to at least marinate 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, crew, so we're going to do the same thing to our chicken that we did to our steak. Here's that famous close-up of our steak and our chicken, and I allowed this to marinate on the countertop for 20 minutes. Okay, we're gonna move right along to our vegetables. I use olive oil, butter, onions, tricolor bell peppers, salt, black pepper, poultry season, and liquid smoke. Okay, crew, so for the meat, I allowed the meat to marinate for 20 minutes, and I did not season the meat. The marinade was enough to penetrate the meat throughout the process, and if y'all want to marinate it overnight, y'all can, but I use sizzling steak and chicken breast, and I allowed this to sear around 2 minutes each side, or until the liquids came to the top, then I flipped it. right along to our chicken breast. I seared these 5 minutes each side because it was not thick. If they're thicker, it's gonna take longer than 5 minutes each side. For the pita bread, I just added a little butter to the pan, and I seared it around a minute each side. And you don't want to go over 2 minutes each side on your pita bread. Alright, so we're going to cut up our chicken and our steak. And I'm going to give y'all a nice close-up on the meat. Then after that, we're going to prepare our steak fajitas on pita bread. And the only thing we did, added our meat, our vegetables, and a little bit of steak sauce. I truly hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up the video and drop a comment in the comment section below. Here's a famous close-up of our steak fajitas on pita bread. If you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Y'all already know the saying, pops out, cool it is.